Women in ancient Greece. Oikoi. Greeks lived in households called oikoi. The oldest male, or man, was the head of the oikos. Greek women were not seen as important and had few rights. A Greek woman's main job was to produce children. This means her main job was to have children and grow the family, or her family. Marriage. Girls in their teens likely married men who were in their 20s or 30s. This means that they would marry men who were much older than them. Marriages were usually arranged, so females married whoever was chosen for them. This means that women could not choose their husbands. Their family chose their husbands. Childbirth. There was major pressure on Greek women to have children. Their husbands and their families wanted them to produce male children as quickly as possible. Women were expected to have as many children as possible. Homes. Greek wives rarely left home. They only left home for very special events. When they did leave, they had to go with a male family member or a slave. This means women could only leave the house if they left with a man. Greek women watched the children and the rest of the household, including slaves. They were expected to be skilled weavers since all clothing was homemade. This means that they made all the clothes for their husbands, slaves, and children. Priestesses. Even though Greek women had few rights, they could become priestesses. Girls could become priestesses when they turned 7. These girls helped priests with religious festivals. If a priestess did well at her job, she would be allowed to maintain a god statue in a temple.